In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can apply for a line of credit in the TD mobile app. Once you're in the app, you're going to select more, then you're going to select borrowing, then select personal line of credit. Now these are the different types of lines of credit available. Your personal line of credit. You also have professional line of credit for people like physicians and dentists. If you're a student, you have line of credit available for you. You have your TD Home Equity to Flex line of credit and investment secure line of credit. And if you scroll down, you can explore educational loan services, right? So you're going to select so here I'm going to select personal line of credit. Here it shows you the borrowing limits. You can borrow from the 5,000 to 50,000. Now, whether you make the minimum payments or you pay up the entire balance, any credit that you use will be available to you again as long as you repay it. So here, go ahead and select apply. Now, in some cases, you can complete the application online. However, to proceed with the application, you can book an appointment or call them to complete the line of credit. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.